Hi everybody! Today we're going to be making these cute little pigs. Pigs live on farms. Pigs have 4 legs and 4 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pigs have a body and their body is bigger than their head. Pigs also have 2 eyes. 1, 2. Pigs have a nose called a snout. Can you snort like a pig? Pigs have ears, 2 ears. They're shaped a little bit like triangles. And they also have a cute curly tail. I've made a demonstration for you on how to make your own cute little pig. Have fun and be creative. Ciao, ciao for now. Bye!
First, let's make the painted paper. Use the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. Notice how the colors change when you mix them together. Once you've finished, let that dry. For my pig, I'm using some pink, orange, black, and white paper. For the feet, cut 4 small rectangles. For the eyes and nostrils, I cut small circles. I also used the white paper to cut circles for the eyes. For the head and body, I cut 1 big circle and 1 small circle. Now, cut 4 rectangles for the legs. Cut an oval shape for the snout and 2 triangles for the ears. Now let's start with the body and the head. Use the big circle for the body and the smaller circle for the head. Add a little bit of glue to the back and then paste it down. Remember, just a dot will do. Now let's put some glue on the head. Start adding your legs and feet. Now add your eyes. Start with the bigger piece of white paper and then put the black dot circle in the middle. Do the same with the other eye. Remember, just a dot of glue will do. Now let's add the snout and the little dots for the nostrils. Let's add 2 triangles for ears. And a spiral for the tail. And there we have our cute little pig.